Hello guys, so I'm just going to talk about how you can easily inspect a file or a document that's corrupt. So for instance, let's search for Excel. Let's get a document. Let's get a document in Excel. So for instance, we come on to open. Just go to browse. I need to get a document that's a file that is actually corrupt. So I'm just going to look for one. Where's my OneDrive? I think I have my OneDrive. Alright. I'm just going to look for this. Alright. It's not here. Okay, I think I have some documents here. Okay. This, and I want to open it and repair it. If it's corrupted, the first thing I need to do is open and repair. I'll come here, just drop down here and open and repair. So it's gonna repair that file for you. If that didn't resolve your issues and the file is still acting corrupt, you go back to open, you browse, back to the document. Okay, we've done this before, I'm sorry. What we need to do is click on that document. This is the document. We've opened it already. You come to info, then you come to check for issues, inspect issues. Alright, so we check all the boxes here. These boxes, you have to check them, make sure it's all checked. Then you inspect it, remove any error you see, you reinspect, and then you inspect it again, then check for any errors. No more errors. Reinspect, inspect to confirm no more errors, then you close it and issue will be resolved. Thank you, and I hope you